This is how I built Gandalf's staff out of PVC pipe and foam. Starting with some 6mm foam, I measured the width that I would need to coat my PVC pipe. Using a contact cement, I glued the foam all the way around my PVC pipe and let it dry. For the top of my staff, I used 4 old foam floor mats and glued them together, then cut them down to shape. Once I had the outline of the shape that I needed, I drilled a hole in the center of it so I could attach it to my staff. Using my Dremel, I began sanding away at the outside of the headpiece to get the shape that I wanted. Once I was happy with the headpiece, I used some foam clay to hide my cracks and then used a Plasti to coat the whole staff. For my paint job, I used various layers of browns and blacks to match the reference image I had. For this prop, it was really important for me that my crystal could glow, so I had carved a channel inside of my staff head for this flashlight to fit. To ensure that I could remove my flashlight to turn it on and off, I had connected a small wire to the wrist strap piece so that I could pull it in and out without seeing the flashlight. I could then wedge my quartz stone firmly in place in the foam, and it held snug. The end result, Gandalf the Grey's staff. Happy crafting!